If a ball is thrown straight up into the air with an initial velocity of 75 feet per second, its height in feet after t seconds is given by this equation. Find the average velocity for the time period beginning when t equal 2 and lasting 0.1, then 0.01, then 0.001. So we're narrowing in so we can get an estimate for the instantaneous velocity at 2. So this first point is going to be, the x value is going to be 2.1 seconds, and then the y value is going to be this function with 2.1 put in the function. If I plug that in the function, it looks like I get 86.94. So I just compute a slope. I take this y from the second point and subtract the y from the first point. Now actually I don't have the first point yet, so let's find it. What if we put 2 in this equation? So we put 2 in here for the t and we compute that. It looks like we get 86. So this is going to be minus 86 over the x from the second point, which was 2.1, minus the x from the first point, which is this guy, so that's 2. So I compute that, and it looks like I get 9.4. Okay, then we need to take 2.01. So we're going to put 2.01 in our function and get out, and it's best to just leave it in your calculator when you get it out. So we get 86.1084, and you can just leave whatever's in there. And from that value, we're going to subtract 86, and then we're going to divide it by 0.01, because that's going to be the difference between 2 and 2.01. And dividing by 0.01 will just move the decimal 2 places. So when I do that, I get 10.84. Then we're going to do the same thing with 2.001. Take your calculator, plug that in the function, and then just keep that value in your calculator. It looks like it's 86.010984 and keeps going, but we'll just use that value in the calculator. So I'm just going to put value right here. And we're going to subtract 86 from it. And then we're going to divide it by the difference between the two x's, which is 0.001. So that'll just move the decimal over 3 places. And it looks like we get 10.984. So based on the results above, a good guess for the instantaneous velocity at 2 would be 11 feet per second.